we might be in Scotland. It's fair to say I got a bit carried away. The van got fixed, as you saw in the last video, and I was humming and hawing about where to go. I was looking at flights and visas and what have you to Thailand, and I was thinking about Wales, and I was thinking about where the trip was going to take me next. And I kind of just decided to get in the van and head north. So here we are, we're in Scotland. Just actually rocked up onto the NC500 route, and the rest of this journey around North Scotland, or Scotland as a whole, will be the NC500, and loads of epic scenery shots and photos. It's been awesome so far. So yeah, not sure where I am now, but I'll show you where I've been, and I'll show you where I'm going. Sweet. Unreal. Apparently it's like 20 odd degrees in the south of England. I'm as north in Scotland as you can nearly get. I'm not that far from John O'Groats. This is Stour, S-T-O-E-R. That's Stour Lighthouse, and I'm now walking to the Old Man of Stour, which is different to the Old Man of Stour that's on the Isle of Skye. So hopefully it's worth it. I didn't bring my big camera, I'm just using my GoPro on my phone because the big camera's getting soaked. It's beautiful, it's just the weather's crap. It's unreal. There she goes. There it is. Oh. Okay, now. This is mad. It's unbelievably windy. Oh, fucking hell. Woo! Can't breathe. Anyway, there it is. All of that for that, eh? Woo! It would look great with the drone, but I haven't got the drone up for obvious reasons. Fucking hell, I'd lose it. Woo! I'm holding on to this tight.